Good morning, viewers. This is the aftermath of that big blizzard, but there's tons of snow everywhere. Just give you a look out the window. Look at all that. Just look at that. There are huge mounds on the roof. It's on the window. Humongous icicles hanging from, I don't know, the roof. There's even one inside the window. People across the road, and it's been snowed over, shoveling this snow. There's so much of this snow on the ground. And get you a look out the back. There's a ton of snow. And well, there was the fortunate. No power losses at all, no power outages. It's a good thing. But well, the unfortunate seas as well. Because if I show you through here, just look at all that. It's everywhere. So much snow out there. It's just everywhere. Hey, where's Frank? What a good morning. Come on, Buster. Ow. Buster. Alright, fine. Don't have to wear any pajamas. Well, I'm gonna go outside and shovel. So, you stay here, Buster. Where are you going, Frank? I gotta go outside and shovel. There's a ton of it on the ground that I've been seeing out the window. I bet you showed everyone. Oh, of course I did. Yeah. I gotta go shovel the snow. Well, good luck with that. I'm gonna need it. I don't know, but I might need my hat too. Of course you're gonna need your hat. Here it is. Okay, just give it to me. Not like that. You know what, why? Just go away. think you really can survive out there? Oh, I know I can. I'm gonna need a bit of help. Get Buster. Okay. Buster. What do you need? For you to put some clothes on. Sweater? Where's your sweater? Thanks. This isn't it. Dang it. Oh. Thank you, Mario. Frank, what's going on? We gotta go and shovel snow, Buster. Really? Yeah. This is not a job that one man can do by himself. I need help. Okay, then. Get your coat on, Buster. Here, I'll move out of the way so that you can get dressed. Okay. You're gonna need your hat, too. Go get that. Alright, then. Okay, good, Buster. We're ready. Wait a minute. What are you wearing? What are you wearing, Buster? I'm wearing my sweater. Well, that's a first. It's the first time you wore your sweater. Why do you never wear a sweater in the winter? I always wear mine. You should be wearing yours every day. I don't know. Well, anyway, we gotta go and shovel snow. There's a lot of it out there, and it's not going to be shoveled by itself. We need to do it. Come on. Can't see the hats over my eyes. Oh! Where are you going? Outside. To do what? Shovel the snow. What do you think, Matt? So where's the shovel? I actually don't know. Dang it. Well, until I find the shovel, thank you for watching this video. This part. And well, you want to join the next part? And all you gotta do is go and click on the next video. Until then, thank you for watching, and goodbye.